So today is March the 18th, 2015. 3 days before spring. Yeah, right. Oh, you gotta see this. I'm about to show you the old homestead. Oh, it's crazy. It's crazy. Alright. It's gonna be windy. You might not hear me, but you'll be able to see it. Alright. Oh, you gotta see this drift here. It's absolutely crazy. So the bank is pretty much goes right up to the deck. That is wild. It's absolutely wild. So I cleaned some of this out this morning. Look at this drift. Unbelievable. Welcome to the Arctic Circle.